Good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from Northern Maine. I've got one reason for you to belong to this channel. This is the second one of these fish that I've caught in the last 2 days. This is an 8-pound lake trout, 27 inches long. So subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of stuff. This is all that this channel is about. Fishing, hunting, anything to do with the great outdoors is what I cover in this channel. So I'm looking forward to meeting you. Subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment, and you have a great day. Good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from the Rustic log cabin in Northern Maine. Welcome to my channel today. Today is a shout out video. This guy has sent me 2 boxes. He's another reloader from Michigan. His name is Eric, and he emailed me a month ago and said, hey, I found some 44 Magnum bullets, shells. So he sent me what he had, what he could find. And then last week he sent me another email. And his email was, hey Tom, I found some more 44 Magnums. Now I think he said there was hey, let's have a sip of coffee. I think he said there was 80 of them. Well, let me tell you, 80 empty 44 Magnum cases is a big help here in the reloading room. We got into it the other night on the live stream. How much do I make on YouTube? And then I got into it the other day with another really good member of the channel, Doug. We were on a conversation and I called him because I wanted him to check something out for me. I had a video I loaded up for Patreon and it came back, it was flagged, YouTube was all over it. So, you know, YouTube hides stuff from me too, so I know Doug watches all of my videos there on Patreon, so I wanted him to look for a couple of things. What it said was going to be blurred out, some parts was blocked out, all kinds of stuff. So, for me, they would let me see the whole thing. So I had Doug just watch the video and see if there was anything blocked out. There wasn't anything blocked out, but I did allow everybody to watch it, leave some comments, and then I deleted it because I don't want anything out there that has bad flags on it, because YouTube, you know, they'll shut you down as fast as they'll look at you. So anyways, Eric, thank you very much. 80 rounds, 44 Magnum. Perfect. Perfect. These will go into the tumbler today. I have 100 rounds that I just got tumbled the other day. About 60 or 70 of those are ready for powder and bullets. What I was waiting on was that mold that I've got for the 44 Magnum. I want to make up a bunch of bullets for it. So anyway, getting back to what we were talking a minute ago about how much do we make on YouTube. And that's why things like this is such a big help. On average, and I can take a screenshot of each and every video if you want, but you're going to take my word for this. On average, when a video comes out, I make between $3 and maybe $4 per video. So there's no money being made by East Grand Woodsman on YouTube. I do these videos because I enjoy them. I enjoy sharing my lifestyle. I started this channel for my grandsons, for my family, because you could see the crap that was coming down the turnpike in this country. I had no idea it was going to get as bad. When I started this channel, I wanted to just preserve the knowledge that I have picked up over the years being an outdoorsman and a woodsman, and I wanted to preserve that knowledge for my grandsons. So that's where this channel's birth came from. And as we got into it, then we got in, that was a year and a half, 2 years later, we got into COVID, and you started seeing restrictions, and you started seeing all that crap. So then it became more of, well, maybe we can share everything, because you can see the handwriting on the wall that they're starting to control our lifestyle. They're trying to. They're trying to control who you vote for, trying to control guns and ammunition and fuel, and well, you guys know what's going on around us. So now, and that's kind of been why I've been doing the channel. And that's why it's so important with the Patreon channel. I have 15 members on the Patreon channel, and that Patreon channel brings in $73 a month, which doesn't sound like much, but it is a help. Every little bit of help. When somebody sends me a bag of ammunition, this is a help. This is all part of, I look at it, it's a great gift from Eric, but it's also part of the pay for building these videos. And I really appreciate it. Last couple of months, I've had people sending me 308 cases for my grandson's rifle. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate all of that ammunition. I mean, all of those cases. So, Eric, thank you very much. This is the gift that will keep on giving, because I won't throw them out until they're worn out. So anyways, that's the gist and why we do the channel and all of that. And I want to thank each and every one of you for every part that you do in this video. I have one ask. Watch the video from start to finish. If you think I need to shorten the videos, let me know. The skipping ahead is really hurting my channel. The skipping ahead is really one of the reasons why I only make $2 to $3 a video, sometimes $4. It's the skipping. Because you skip ahead and you skip past the commercial. Even if you shut the commercial off, I still get paid for it. But by skipping ahead to the end, if you go from the beginning to the middle to the end, you skipped over most of what I would receive for income for that video. So if you click on a video, watch 90% of it. If that's not what happens, I have the numbers. So watch 90% to 100, and that way I can pick up a few more dollars from the YouTube channel. It takes fuel, it takes time, it takes parts and pieces, and there's a lot that goes into creating these videos. Especially, I build 3 a week. I put one out on Sunday, I put one out on Wednesday, and then I put one out Monday morning for the Patreons. So please help me keep that going. Either subscribe to the Patreon channel or watch these videos from start to finish. And like I said, if they're too long, let me know. If that's why you're skipping ahead, let me know in the comments. I got big shoulders. You won't hurt my feelings. But it doesn't seem to matter, because I even see that in the 5-minute show, the 5-minute videos that I do. It's still skipping ahead there, so I'm kind of not knowing where to go and how to deal with that. But so help me out if you guys would, and I will see you next week in the videos.